everyone, and welcome back to Doodle's Face and Body Art. Today's video is all about the technique for creating one-stroke sharks. Let's get started. I'll be using the following products. If you don't have a short angled brush, you can also use a regular flat brush. Depending on how much surface you have to paint, you might have to change the orientation of the shark's tail to either bend up or down. This will also determine the size of the brush you can use. Go ahead and load your brush. If you are using an angled one, make sure you load the darker color on the long end of the bristles. To create the snout, place your brush at a 45-degree angle with the darkest color at the top. Swipe across and curve either up or down to make the tail. For the top of the body, flip your brush so that the lighter color is now at the top, and slant your brush the opposite direction. Swipe across and follow the curve of your previous stroke to the tail. Now with the edge of your brush, make a slanted U for the mouth. Then, make a curved stroke from the edge of the mouth to the tail, making sure the darkest color is at the bottom. The front of the body should be the thickest part of the shark. To make the side fin or the pectoral fin, place your brush horizontally and pull down as you make a curve without twisting the brush. For the dorsal fin, create a slanted line with the tip of your brush. Then create a curved stroke by following it down and slightly twisting the brush. The last stroke is the tail, which is kind of like a V-stroke. I always struggled with this part, as the tail would make my shark look like a fish or a dolphin. If you look closely, you'll realize that dolphins have very soft and wavy tails, while sharks have very sharp ones. Now that you know all of the strokes, let's finish this shark. You want to place the dorsal fin a little bit past the half mark of the body. The pectoral fin or the side fin should align with the dorsal fin. Overlap the stroke with the body to create dimension. Fill in the mouth with your choice of color. Once it's dry, add the teeth. I'll be using the white and the black from the one-stroke cake. Add the eye and the gills. If you're working at a large event, you can leave the shark as is at this point, but if you have the time to spare, go ahead and outline it and add highlights, and any other decorative elements. Once you've mastered these strokes, you'll be able to create this shark in no time. Here's a fun version where the mouth of the shark meets the mouth of the person, so it'll look like the shark is talking. It's a very popular request amongst kids. The only drawback is, if they lick their lips, there goes the shark's teeth. So I always try to suggest to the child if we can place the shark away from their mouth so it will last longer. Sometimes they agree, other times not so much. I hope you found this technique useful for your next event. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!